My name is Vishwam. I am Director LRDE. We are the radar house of the nation, and we are the only design development and prototype development first. Then we hand over the product to the production agencies. So this is only the establishment in the entire country of 1.4 billion. We are the lab who are making the radars. So this specific product, we have a set of radars for surveillance, monitoring, then for fire control, imaging. So various kinds of radars we designed, developed and launched for production. Several of them are with users and few of them are under export now. This is one of the such specific products. We have on this system we have a suite. It's not just one item. We have a radar, we have an electro-optical system, we have a EW system, ESM system, and we have a software defined radio, all put together on the single aircraft. It is a solution, and this aircraft is ready. We are flying in this air show. In fact, just before lunch I also flew in that aircraft for 1 hour. So this is a complete solution what we are offering to Navy as well as for Coast Guard for maritime patrol. So this is one of the specific functions of both the Navy as well as Coast Guard. So we have a complete solution which we are trying to project to our own users, even to the world countries. So an integrated product availability from a single source is very rare. So we are one such source where we can get all these products. These 4 systems are made by 4 different laboratories of DRDO. One laboratory is in Bangalore, that is a radar house. Second one is in DLRL. Other 2 are in Dehradun. So we work in a collaboration way to integrate multiple systems to make a system of systems. So the aircraft is a system of systems. This system is fully qualified, ready for user trials. And she is the project director for the radar. And as
I'm Reena Mamgin. So I work for radar. So this is basically is talking about a chain which is an integrated suite, and in this we have 4 requirements. So this is first time in indigenous solution we are giving to the user for maritime surveillance, where all these are 4 important avionic systems and a communication suite. In this we have radar, we have latest technology radar. It is ESA based, GAN technology based radar, and it is fully software defined, in the sense you can change anything with the software, including the power. Then we have our electro-optic infrared payload. In that it works in cohesive with the radar, and it generates the images when it is dark or it's a hazy. It has a different sensors and the common optic aperture technology. And then we have ESM system which supports the receiving the whatever signals are there, and all this data is collected by software defined radio, and it is sent over data link to the command center so that necessary action can be initiated. So as such, it's a full integrated suite. It's first time we are giving an indigenous solution to all our maritime operations.
The aircraft can take the image in real time. It can send to the ground station. That is the speciality of this aircraft.
Yeah, the basic thing which was...
Your introduction.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Devashish. I'm the designer of the system. And one thing which we would like to say that from the drawing board to putting onto the aircraft, post qualifications of the item, it was done in a record time of 24 months. That is something which we want to emphasize. The last aero show, we had only idea in the mind. This aero show is flying in the sky. So that is what is the achievement which we wanted to emphasize. And none other than our director has flown today, and he has seen it in the first day. Our director general was here and all the medias were there. We have shown the live demonstration of the data. So it's a big success for us.
Thank you. Very well.